right, so I recently just posted part 3 in an urban movement series. The first part we talked about the planning, how to move through an area without being detected from anything from stingrays to drones to surveillance cameras. And then part 2 was actual physical, get on the ground and move through an environment. How would you do that with the physical aspect of movement? Part 3 is on group movement and how would you coordinate groups. And so one of the things I wanted to talk about in this video was the Atak system, which is used by the military. This is one of those technologies that was handed down like GPS that came from DoD down to the civilian market. So for the military, it stands for Android Tactical Assault Kit. However, for the civilian market, it's a little bit different in that they don't want to use the word attack, so it's the Android Team Awareness Kit. And so essentially what it is a geospatial tool that you can use similar to Google Maps. There's tons of features on here. For the military, they use it for targeting. They can use it for drones, interfaces with comms, so that people can communicate. This does many of the same functions, except for with a lot of the plugins, where you can, post markers, you can do routing in there, and then if you have people on the ground with you, you can chat with them through a chat feature. So as long as you have Wi-Fi connections, you can actually get a pretty good overview of your location and where people are at, where adversaries might be, where your friendlies might be, and kind of coordinating how you might be moving through an urban space. This certainly could be used in a rural settings. I mean, the examples here, I'm just kind of put some random, rural area. But you could certainly use it for all sorts of stuff. So you can use it for anything that you would do with Google Maps or any other mapping software, plus coordination with other people. So it's a pretty powerful tool. It's pretty interesting. If you haven't gotten a chance to check it out, definitely go ahead and download it. It works for any Android phone. I talk a little bit more specifically about all the features in the blog post. You can check that out.